baby, I don't know what else to tell you, because squeeze my tiny ass up in this. She cute. Baby. Baby. It's giving very much back to you, Anderson. Put me right on CNN primetime, baby. I'll replace Cuomo. Alright, so big thank you to all of you for tuning in to this review. If you are new, welcome. It's Mika Lynn, and we are here with another review, baby. Do you see her kind of peeking right there? Now, of course, before we get into this, do make sure you hit that subscribe button, share the video, so we can all slay accordingly, baby. So let's go ahead, hop right into this beauty, honey. Big thank you to Outre for once again hooking your girl up. They were kind enough to send out this unit. This is part of the Sleek Lay collection. She's kind of a staple here on the channel. Now, if you aren't familiar with this collection of wigs, they do lay flatter, lay better. You don't have the Humpty dance going on at the crown of your dome. So I do have this in the style Emeralda. It's missing the S. So Emeralda, and this is in the color number 2. She is an 18-inch synthetic unit with 5-inch deep parting. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees with HD transparent lace. Standard cap construction with this unit, so you do have 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It may just be me, maybe I'm tripping, but it seems like the combs are smaller on this unit. Woo, baby. Yes, baby, she's got more bounce to the ounce. Yeah, so I'm already digging the curls on here. This does feel like a full unit. Lights are telling all the business, okay? It's a little sparkly, okay? Keep in mind, it's the lights. She does have a natural luster in person. This is not a shiny wig at all. Now this, baby, Outre, you nailed the number 2 this go around. Yes, so I can tell you that this has a hint of brown in it. Looking at it, it's definitely way lighter compared to this unit, which is Avalon 26. So you could definitely see the difference in this being a number 2 and this is supposedly a number 2. So big thank you on that. And as always, the lace looks doable, Outre. It looks doable. So it's definitely blending with my skin for sure. Of course, we're gonna go ahead, tint this lace, baby. Open up this port, baby. Of course, we're gonna give you the first impression, baby. But most importantly, we're gonna make it do what it do. Ooh, okay, or whatever. Okay. Girl, Outre, you gonna make me try a synthetic curly wig. Yes, you are, baby. Okay, so let me go ahead and straighten her up a little bit. Cap fit is really good on here. It's a snug fit. We'll look at the hairline. She looks pretty good on the sides. A little short, falling a little short there, Outre. So here's my hairline. And this one actually goes farther back from that. So you can kind of see it. But that's okay. We can still, she's still slayable, baby. So looking at her going around the lace, it looks okay. Now this is not the melted hairline collection, so you're not gonna have that transition going back on this unit, but it's definitely doable. If you are not comfortable plucking, I will show you how to finesse these edges. And the parting space looks really good, and she looks good though. She looks good, but they did add some volume to the crown of this unit, of course, just for height, you know, just to give it some body. But me personally, I am going to go ahead and just slay it accordingly.
East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet.
Woo, looking crazy. Now this is a very snug cap, so I'm actually gonna pull this down just a little bit more, and I'm gonna wear it a little farther down than what I would usually do, just so I can avoid that horrible line of demarcation that I get when the cap is too tight. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut these little baby bangs here. And I'm gonna go really, really short. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Nairobi Rapid Shine Mousse. Haha. I'm just gonna place some right along here. Push this back. I'll do a little bit of the gel. Okay, so we're almost there. And for these, I'm just gonna spray just a little bit. Spraying, of course, is always optional. You don't have to use any adhesive. I'm gonna brush that back. I'm gonna cut these really low. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Nairobi.
Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
And we'll see how the rest of this works out. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit more gel. I'm not gonna pull anything out. I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb, push down. And honestly, this is what I should have did here, but I didn't. So we're just gonna take rat tail comb, push them edges right on down. Voila. Bam.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Start to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up.
Baby, listen. There is so many isms that I could do with this beauty. Yeah. Cause baby, listen, you better ride that wave. Do you see the height on here, baby? She is going to give what she is giving. And right now, we are giving Miss Paca. Oh yes, Miss Paca. Yeah, so this is definitely giving me like 42-year-old vibes. So just a couple of things to note with this unit. I'm actually going to use this, and I haven't used this in a very long time. So this is the Herbal Essences Bio Renew White Strawberry and Sweet Mint Rejuvenate with Aloe and Sea Kelp Dry Shampoo. Whew, that's a mouthful. So I'm just going to use it along the top of this unit. I'm not going to go super heavy. So I'm just going to spray like right there. And see, you don't want to go too high with the dry shampoo because it will give you that gray kind of white cast off. So I'm going to wet my hand just a little bit, and I'm just going to put it right where it kind of turned white. Okay. And are we good? We good. So of course, anytime you do have shine on your units, you can definitely go through with some dry shampoo. Tread lightly. It will turn it gray, as I mentioned, but it definitely does dull the shine. Now, someone did ask as far as like, what do I use for flyaways? They asked that on the review for Avalon 26. There's a couple of things that I do use. One is a wax stick. The other one is just some regular old spray. So I do have a couple. You could either use the Wig Grip spray. You can use the Rave spray. Dollar General, fine baby, $1. I cleaned them out and they ain't restocked since. Or you can use any hairspray that you have. I do also have the Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I have yet to tap into this yet, but that's another spray that you could possibly use, and that will definitely dull or, you know, tame the flyaways so they won't be like all up in your dome. You know what I'm saying? But I really don't have to use too much on this unit. I don't want it to be like super stiff. You know, I want my wig to move. So yeah, she's definitely moving. She's giving the vibe. She's full. I love the length. Some shedding with this unit. I cut close to the hairline, as many of you know, so that's a given. I'm always expecting that, and I am getting some tangling. However, I do not want to comb out these curls, okay? I think these curls are straight fire just the way they are. The luster is good. It doesn't have that wiggy look. Outre definitely comes and they nail the texture every single time. So baby, I don't know what else to tell you because squeeze my tiny ass up in this. She cute. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by Outre, definitely hit up the Google search link in the description box down below. Big thank you to them for sending out the unit. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you. The vibe is always real and it is always felt. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Share the video so we could all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.